Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
Today was the third straight day with below normal high temperatures, but warmer weather is coming back starting tomorrow. We're going to see highs get up into the lower half of the 70s. We'll see mid to upper 70s over the weekend. That's ahead of a cold front. Behind the cold front, some cooler weather for Monday and Tuesday, especially Tuesday with highs only in the 50s. Right now, we are looking at widespread 50s across northeast Wisconsin, although temperatures do range from 62 degrees in Berlin to 47 degrees in Kewaunee. We had a decent amount of sunshine throughout the morning. We had high clouds thickening up throughout the early afternoon. And this evening, for the most part, we are now looking at overcast conditions, although we did have a little bit of filtered sunshine moving across the area during the last hour or so. The satellite picture does show abundant cloud cover across the upper Midwest. Here comes our next weather maker. It's an area of low pressure now pushing into northwestern Iowa. Out ahead of that system, we have a large area of rain and showers extending from Canada south into Illinois. This activity is now just pushing into Marquette and Green Lake counties, and it will overspread the rest of the viewing area as we head deeper into the evening. You can see that here on Precision Cast. Rainy conditions as we head deeper into the night. By midnight, it'll be raining just about everywhere. That rain will gradually taper off to a few showers tomorrow morning, and then clouds will give way to some sunshine as we head into tomorrow afternoon. And with that sunshine and a gusty westerly wind, it is going to warm up. We're going to see temperatures climbing up into the lower to possibly mid-70s as we move into the late afternoon and early evening, and that temperature will continue to climb as we head into Saturday and Sunday. Now, as the temperature goes up, so is the instability. On Saturday, we're going to have a chance once again for a few showers and maybe a couple of thunderstorms. You can see that here on Precision Cast. Those showers and thunderstorms developing as a warm front slowly lifts north across the Badger State, and there is a marginal risk for severe weather across central and eastern Wisconsin as we move through Saturday, which means a few storms could be close to severe levels with winds maybe up to 50 miles per hour and some hail right around a half an inch to up to around 3/4 of an inch in diameter. Now on Sunday, as that warm front lifts north, we're going to be in the warm sector. At the same time, we're going to be watching a cold front move in from the west, and that means our chances for severe weather go up just a little bit more. Any thunderstorms that do develop could produce some heavy rain. With that in mind, as we head through the next 2 or 3 days, the potential is there for a significant amount of rain, a half an inch to an inch or more, depending on where thunderstorms track across northeast Wisconsin. So what are we looking at as far as the Green Bay Cellcom Marathon and Half Marathon? Right now, chances are pretty good that it's going to be dry. But there could be some dying showers and thunderstorms working across the area during the morning hours, so I got to keep a chance for at least some rain in the forecast. We're going to see clouds mixing with sunshine otherwise, with warm temperatures climbing through the 60s up into the 70s. It's also going to be humid with a gusty southwest wind. So your forecast for tonight calls for rain to develop from south and west to north and east throughout the evening. Overnight lows will be around 50, so no threat of frost tonight. Tomorrow, morning clouds and maybe a lingering shower, then some sun and clouds during the afternoon and warmer. Look for a high temperature right around 73 degrees. 76 on Saturday, sun and clouds, a slight chance for a thunderstorm. A much better chance for some thunderstorms on Sunday. We'll have to keep a close eye on those. Monday morning, some sunshine, then turning cloudy with a shower. As colder air starts to work in from the north, we'll see morning highs around 70 and then falling only in the 50s on Tuesday. We could be looking at some frost Tuesday and Wednesday morning, and then we will start to warm up again as we head towards the unofficial kickoff to summer, which is Memorial Day weekend. And temperatures will be above normal, mainly in the 70s.
And you have to have a little rain in there, I think, for Memorial Day weekend, right?
Yeah, even if high pressure is forecast directly overhead and it's supposed to be completely sunny, you still got to put a chance for rain in there.